Hi, Matt Byer Organizing with Organizing to Travel. Many of us are traveling again, which is great, but traveling can be pretty stressful if you're not organized. Here are some tips to help. Good planning will allow you to rest your mind on vacation, starting with a reliable checklist. Don't reinvent the wheel every time. Keep a running checklist of things to do before the trip and things to pack on your computer. Highlight the irreplaceables in red. For example, your passport, your prescriptions, and your phone charging cord, so that you bring special attention to focusing on remembering these items. And don't forget to add a mask to the list. When packing your suitcase, rolling your clothes reduces creasing and is more space efficient than folding. This is called the Army roll or Ranger roll. Cover the dirty soles of shoes with a shower cap and fill with rolled up socks. As in the household, a great organizing rule to follow while traveling is reveal, don't conceal. Use a clear toiletry bag. It can be disorienting in new locations, so make finding things easy for yourself. Use clear Ziploc bags for the same reason. And use a clear envelope to collect receipts, all in one place. Your carry-on bag should be for just the minimum so that it can fit comfortably under an airplane seat. It should be for things that you simply cannot do without for the duration of the journey. Traveling can be a great opportunity to catch up on reading, but books can take up a lot of space. So if you bring a tablet instead, you never run out of reading space. Here's a couple of tips from Kim, our Matt Byer Organizing account manager, about traveling with kids. Pick up plenty of small toys and trinkets from the Target dollar bin and plenty of snacks for the kids' backpacks. Also pack extra toothbrushes and other toiletries for the kids. This outlet adapter is a real lifesaver when you have multiple electronic devices. Many older hotels and homes aren't built for today's electronic needs. Of course, this will do you no good if you travel abroad, so remember to look for a universal electronic adapter. Don't forget about earbuds for listening to music and videos in public places like the airport. The Grid-It by Cocoon is an ingenious packing tool to organize all your electronics and more. I like containing the cords further in these toothbrush tubes. It's a good idea to be prepared for the event of being separated from your suitcase. Here's another folding hack to keep a set of socks, underwear, and t-shirt all in one. This fits into your carry-on to cover the basics, and it doubles as a pillow for the plane or train. For more easy organizing tips, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you around.